Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a pinsetter mechanic, certified to work on Brunswick A2 and jetback pinsetters. Today we're going to be doing adjustment 45, the magnetic clutch adjustment. I haven't done this adjustment a lot, but I've done it enough. First thing you're going to want to do, this sucks. As you can see, we don't have to take the guard off of 15 very often, because that's our holder. So, first thing we're going to do is obviously power's off. I'm going to unplug this just for good measures. I really wish this guard was off. It'd make things so much easier. You're going to need Allen wrench. I don't know what size yet. There is a stop collar over here. And that stop collar is the one that you're going to loosen your set screw and stuff. Alright. So, with that loose, push leaf firm against the magnetic clutch. Set the gap between the pulley. Oh! Okay, makes sense. The pulley, you're going to make sure firmly against there, right? And then you're going to go to your stop collar, and that's what you're going to do. You're going to set that, I can't see anything, but I know y'all can. Set that to about 1/32 of an inch. God damn you. I can't see shit. Hopefully where it should be. We're gonna go ahead and plug that back in, put this belt on. And then it says to lock the pin gate. Okay. Lock the pin gate, allow the two pins to come up and push the rollers off the magnetic clutch. And then they want you to, once it's there, that should stop, which it does. And that's it. Oh, I thought that was a different thing. I thought that was a different adjustment, but they're tying in the magnetic clutch and the cross conveyor microswitch into one thing. So, okay, makes sense. Now, what is it? Loosen the two clamping screws at the end of the trip levers while holding the rollers firmly against the pins on the cross conveyor. Push the lower ends of the levers. I swear that this was a different adjustment, but evidently not. So, you're gonna go ahead and loosen the two clamps here on your jam switch. Okay. And then you're gonna go ahead and push that on the pin. Like push the roller down on the pin and then push the clamp all the way down. Well, here, let's do one at a time, okay? So, because they do kind of act on their own, right? So push that all the way down, and then go ahead and lift this up just until you barely hear the click from the micro switch. Okay? Now we're gonna do the same thing here. Just until you barely hear that click. Okay. And then you'll go ahead and oh, damn it. Sorry. Okay. And then go ahead and run these through, make sure our pinwheel will still turn off and on. So with one, still, another one still goes, both up, off, on. So yeah, now it's the end of the adjustment, because I swore the magnetic clutch and that cross conveyor microswitch were two different adjustments, but evidently not. I mean, I can see why they're tied in together. They literally affect each other. So, all right. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you feel like sharing the video, it'd be appreciated. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.